got no plate.
That's right there. I would stack of them. How many plates you got? Dang, what is this? Pizza. I don't understand. Get a fork, girl. I'll get it for you. Just stay right there. What we got in here? Three pizzas?
Those are breadsticks.
You don't need no breadsticks for pizza. I'm gonna put this in the oven and just set it in there.
Yes, sir. This looks pretty good.
Oven don't work, huh?
No.
I thought he was getting us a new stove. Okay, what else we got?
Some wings.
You get yourself some? How you open it?
I am.
Oh, yeah. Hold on.
Give me a fork.
Hold on. Yeah. How many wings? That's it. Three pieces. Not four. Yeah, just take two of them. Oh, you get three?
Yeah.
It's only, I took two, so it's two left each. You had to overdo it. How many of them you get? How many?
I got 3 of them.
You should have only got two. Gotta last. What the hell is this? What kind of sauce is this? Gravy? So you got how many? 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's only 2 of these left. You got enough stuff?
Yeah.
Put this in here. Smash some boxes up. All right, you ready? So like this is for since the increase easy. What you got?
2 pizzas and some wings.
What's this other stuff? Let me have one of them. One of them breads.
This is pizza.
Oh, okay.
I don't think we got no breads.
All right, let's grub. What's that you watching? What kind of sauce? Oh, you try some of this here. What's this stuff on here? Kind of weird. This stuff here. Pretty good, huh? You ain't get no salad, huh? Next time, I always get some salad or vegetables.
We was on good time. But
Mm.
they didn't have none.
Oh, okay. This is good, huh? Look at that. I took one bite and everything came off the pizza. That means they didn't cook it right. Not bad, huh? We get soda? They didn't bring it, huh?
I think you said, I don't know.
They were supposed to bring the soda. Oh,
I think we left it.
I call them back.
I think we didn't get it. You put it back.
Oh. I don't know. We ordered. How much is it?
Yeah, we didn't get it because we put it back.
I would save you some money, huh?
Yeah.
Want another napkin?
No.
It's better than what we had, huh? Better than what we had. I'll tell them to keep the sodas.
Yeah.
Did he give you a copy of the bill? He did.
I think so. No.
We get the stimulus money for Donald. From Donald Trump, we're gonna get a house. Get us a house. What's this right here, though?
That's chicken wings.
You can take that the napkin up under the cup a little. This is off the train, huh?
Yeah.
What's the name of this place? Pizza Hut? Or?
Yeah.
They're good. They've been around for a long time. Good. I ain't hungry no more. Well, that pays good to have a sister, huh? Your mother's sitting here and she'll invite her over. Been that's for us, huh? She like gravy though. I get the money right. I'm gonna take the grandmother out. Me and you and your mother take them to a scissor or something, you know?
Yeah.
But the scissors all you can eat, huh?
Yeah.
Boy, this is some grub here. Real good. They got some good food.